Kalawhala atu ki o te tolosi, ko ko Tomi ni i ki tongia. I'm a proud half-caste Niuean, and I'm a musician.
To the city on a dollar, put all my things in the Corolla, and tell my mama that I'm leaving. With a dollar, nobody wanna believe it. Nobody knows the way that we go. Oh, got no iron, got no retro. So I'll be Capitan, put my shades on.
My ambition for everything that I do with music is just to help people. Music saved my life a long time ago, so a difference that I can make in the world by creating change, I can do that through my own music, so yeah. Yeah, I want my music to appeal not to only the youth of New Zealand, but all ages in the whole world. It's a global audience that I want to attract, and we're gonna get there, and it's happening.
Snap, snap, we gon' get the giddy up. Then you whip crack, so we do it faster. I love my copper with a little bit of cocoa.
My family, we come from nothing, but I strongly believe that people who come from nothing strongly want to make something out of themselves, and it's that drive that drives us, really. Yeah. Huge shout out to all the people that make events like this able to happen. Sunpix, Tangata Pacifica, the ministry, and yeah, there's a number of organizations, and I think that it's important that this happens because it encourages our youth and everybody that this sort of thing happens. Like we're not working towards nothing. People have something to look up to and to work towards. Yeah. My message that I follow is number 1, believe in yourself, and number 2, don't be an egg.
I'll be a million miles away. Give me a call, I'll be coming your way.